What up, Loc Nation? This is Lady T. Apparently, there's a lot of people out there that are trying to figure out how they can start their locks with perm hair. I ain't gonna sit here and say it's easy, but it's possible. So let's get it. What up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Lady T to talk about, how long I had my locks and how in the world you can start locks from perm hair, because actually I started mine from perm. A lot of people be like, oh, you can't do that and it's impossible and da-da-da. So we're gonna sit here and talk about that. I've had my locks for about, it's going on like, 8.5 years. I started back in 2011, and to be honest, I did it because I used to have perm hair and my hair was just so uneven and so unhealthy. Like, I started perming my hair a little bit afterwards, but my hair was already technically damaged by the time I got on my head. So I was like, I can't do this no more. This stuff is killing my hair. So I went to cosmetology school, and basically we did everything that we were supposed to do out there for hair. And I learned everything that I needed to learn as far as in what I need to do with my hair. So what I did was, with the perm, I just let my hair grow out for like about 6 months. I had probably this much of new growth, like literally a tiny bit, and my perm ends were like that long. I was like, wow. Is this really gonna work out? Is it gonna work? But it worked. At first, I 2-strand twisted my hair, but being that the new growth was way poofier than my perm hair, I had to basically take it out. And from those 2 strands, I made 1 strand. So it's not like I had a lot more to do. I just basically just separate them, because first off, it was way too big, and secondly, it looked so bad, y'all. It looked horrible. I kept my hair, twisted. I didn't wash my hair really in the first couple of months. I did a cold wash, but that's literally about it. I retwisted my hair every 2 weeks, because just with hair like that, it's just gonna come out. And I don't even sweat a whole lot. Like, I sweat a little bit. It's not like I go and work out for hours or anything like that. I'm a very lazy person. So for that to have came out by itself, it's the hair. So it took about 4 or 5 months for it to actually bud up, and actually you can feel the knots forming in my little mini locks. 8 months is when it started locking more, and that was when I felt like, it's time to actually chop off my perm ends, because the perm ends weren't even locking up anyway. Like, they were just straight. Like, the only thing that was locking up was just the new growth. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm just gonna chop all of this off. And mind you that my hair at this point in time, the new growth, the natural hair, is probably like this long. And I've never had my hair cut that short before. So it was kind of like, ugh. But I was able to get through it, and it wasn't that bad. I felt like I looked like a little boy, but shit, I still rock that shit. Fuck it. And from then, I just kept retwisting my hair. The longer my hair got, the less I retwist my hair. To be honest, it's not good to just keep retwisting your hair like every 2 weeks when your hair is this long, especially this small. A lot of people be like, oh, are these sister locks? No, I made them small. That's all. I feel like I did get the results that I was looking for, because to be honest, I really thought this was going to look horrendous when I started off. Like, I thought that my hair was not gonna, I never thought my hair was gonna look this good. And it probably could have looked even better if I, went about doing it the, I guess you'll say, correct way. Yeah, I love my hair. I was not expecting this. And if you're wondering in the video how I got this beautiful, burgundy, fiery color, it's a mixture of I bleached my hair just a tiny bit. I lifted the color just a tiny bit, and I went to Walmart and got that color splat. It's very, very vibrant, very bright. I'm gonna let you know, when you go into the shower, if you use this and you go and wash it out, there will be dye everywhere. There's gonna be dye this shit stains everything. So when you go and do this, you better make sure you have all the plastic you need down and all that, because, to be honest, that shit stained everything. But it came out, you know, it made my hair right, beautiful, you know.
People had to make an appearance, feel me? Appreciate y'all for watching, liking, subscribing. All of my new subscribers from this year, shouting y'all out right now. Anybody who comments on a video, shout y'all out through the video. If you comment, I'll put it in the video, bro. That's all you gotta do. But appreciate y'all. Keep it locked, keep it healthy. If you got that perm you want to lock, rewind if you need to. You feel me? Save this video, put it in the playlist, whatever you need to do. But it's your boy Mo Bay. That was Lady T. We out. Peace.